Yo, did you know they made a redesigned version of the R500? Yo, I didn't know either, but I got my hands on one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's get into it. Let's go. What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we back with another video. And yo, you heard me right. Redesign R500. I got it in my hands. First off, big major shout out to Dawn, the subscriber Dawn to the channel. Hit me up in one of the comments and he said, hey, have you seen they dropped a new version of it? I'm like, no, I didn't. He said, check it out. And that's what I did. Yo, we finna dig right into this box. I haven't checked it out. Don't know what we got in here, but I think it's special. So, let's check it out. All right. So, this is the Aeropro Tools low volume, low pressure air spray gun. As you can see there. Now they're calling this the R500 / A610. Trust me, there'll be a link in the description to this. You want to get this information because it's finna be important. Because this right here is a game changer right here. And look at the packaging. I mean, it's like it was made for me. But let's dig into it. Of course, it's a gravity feed. Comes with a standard nozzle or cap of a 1.3 tip. Recommended air pressure is 2 to 3.5 bar, or 29 to 50 psi. And the inlet is 1/4 inch. So, hey, we got that information out the way. Let's pop this thing open. All right, we got let's get to the gun. That's what we're here for. Got some instructions. Oh man. Yo, check this out. That's nice. I mean, real nice. Now it looks a little bit here like they might have some of the packing grease in here. So if you get your hands on one of these, make sure you clean it first. As you can see, it already has a filter in it. I'm gonna probably take that out. I won't be using that. As you can see, taking it out now. Definitely gonna give this gun a good cleaning before I use it. But this thing is made, it's nice. Absolutely nice. I like the way it feels in my hand. And I like the way it's made. The body on it, wow. It's gonna make it real easy to clean this. Hopefully, when I do clean it, the paint doesn't peel off like some paint guns you have. It definitely gives you the look of the rest of the R500s. Of course, you got your different knobs, your fan, your fluid, your air control here, inlet for your air to go in. Trigger feels nice. Let's keep digging. That's a nice gun. Feels good. It's kind of a little on the heavy side a little bit, but I like it. All right, comes with your tools and all your cleaning tools. Nice little cup. It's kind of a small cup, but I don't know. Yeah, that's a small cup there. I don't even know if that's standard size. Maybe I'm just used to using PPS cups. Maybe that's it. We'll sit that back in the box. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Comes with a regulator. Now that's nice. Hopefully it's a good regulator. Regulates the air and gives you proper and actual air pressure. Sometimes you can get some of these and they don't work like they should. Let's dig into these other two boxes, because these two boxes right here is what makes this gun even more special. Get this out the way. Got the gun right there. First box. See if we can get it open. First box that we have open, we have another needle, another cap, and another tip. And this tip is a 1.5 tip and a 1.5 cap with a 1.5 needle. So you can take out the 1.3, switch it all to a 1.5, and get right back to work. That's what you want right there. One gun, a whole nother set of caps, tips, needle to jump right into a different material that you might be spraying. Box number 2. Oh yeah, there is more. They got these boxes sealed up pretty good, but I'm gonna get in there. Check it out. Another cap, another tip, another needle. If you can't tell that I'm excited, you should be able to tell that I'm excited, because I'm excited. I'm not just excited for myself, but I'm excited for you as well. Because guess what? I always get comments saying, can I use just one gun to do everything? Well, guess what? Aeropro just made a spray gun that might have you doing everything with just one gun. Listen, this, if you can see that, hopefully you can see that. And that is the wrong cap. That's a 1.5. This one, if you can see that, is a 1.7. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, this is a 1.7, and I just dropped the needle. Here's the needle, 1.7. Cap, 1.7. Tip, 1.7. That means that you can spray your base, your primers, your clears, you can do your pearls, you can do flakes, you can do it all with just this one gun. You can do it all. This is all the DIY spray gun that you are going to need. Now, after saying all of that, giving you that little bit of information, this gun is made nice. And it's just matching the whole apparel that I got going on right now. But you know we got to check it out and see for sure if this thing can hold up to the regular R500 that we all have come to love. Now, since I'm bringing that up, one R500, two R500, three R500. I purchased 3 of these already before getting this one. This R500 right here is a 1.3 tip. This R500 right here is a 1.7 tip because I wanted a primer gun. And of course, the spread R500 is a 1.3 tip. I purchased 3 guns. All 3 of these guns cost me roughly 70 to 80 bucks. This one gun basically eliminates having to pay for all 3 guns with the one, along with the different 2 caps, tips, and needles that you get with the gun. And this gun right here only cost me 69 bucks. Now with the shipping and handling, I was roughly around like 74, 75 bucks once it actually reached my hands. That changes the game. You can do everything that you need to do with this one gun. Eliminates you having to purchase all the different guns because you have everything you need in this one gun. But we're gonna have to put it to the test, and we gotta spray something and see what it actually does. So stay tuned, and we'll see if we can put it to the test, see what it does, and see if it's better than purchasing all these different guns. Everything to be an underground king.